Gina is up and out well before me, so she starts the coffee. She often leaves me a cuppa as an enticement to raise myself from the dead. She lets Luna out for a morning security stroll through the neighbors' gardens, inspecting the birds and butterflies like the proper quality control technician that she is. Good job, Luna. Alright, so this is me, just an ordinary girl from Dagenham. Mornings aren't really my thing. In my defense, I was up late last night coding. Nice graphic there. Luna and me are like a power team. I code while she inspects the keyboard and waits until I'm finished with it. I wonder what she dreams about. Where? Mind-blowing. Knobby bits going through ring fins. Luna's been into the catnip again, I would say. Should probably mention Alex right about now. We were mates back at uni. He landed a job in Edinburgh doing database management and AI server infrastructure. On his way, a brilliant systems engineer. He has a real knack for upgrading legacy Haskell code to the latest modern frameworks, a skill very much in demand right now. Working out in Silicon Valley of late, we keep in touch. I text him probably once a week to pester him when his team loses and to ask him if he's fallen for one of those buxom California girls yet. He laughs and asks me how Mia and Gina are getting on. Never been better. Gina works for the NHS visiting care homes throughout the area, always helping people get back on their feet. When I let myself go too long without eating, she's right on time with the takeaway. Gina is so caring. I've been helping out some of the locals with their computer issues and practicing some new languages, and oh boy, it takes me right back to my younger school days. Thank you, Mrs. Solper, my Italian teacher, for trying your best. Your efforts were not in vain. Just wanted to get this out there and introduce myself. I'll try to keep in touch. So much to tell you. Cheers.